Welcome to the Tech Me Show. Today I'm going to teach you how to install VirtualBox. The reason I'm going to go ahead and teach you this is simply because in the next few tutorials we're going to be doing, which we're going to teach you how to basically break into your network and do a whole bunch of stuff, so look forward to that. We just have to be very careful what we release. We don't want people to take the information and use it horribly bad, but just stick with us. It will be interesting. It will be fun. But we are totally doing this just, and I can't stress this enough, just to help you learn how to prevent these horrible things that could happen to you. Okay, so I went ahead and launched the application, and now we're being given this basically intro dialogue with the welcome screen. You can cancel, which I don't think you will, because otherwise that defeats the whole purpose of watching this video. So we'll go ahead and select Next. Now, mind you, if you're downloading anything on the internet and whatnot, this is probably not the best time to install because it does duplicate your adapter, your current active connection. That way, VirtualBox can use it to basically have internet access. Now, well, you know what? Let's forget that. But again, do remember, don't do this while you have something downloading, unless you use basically a resume download manager. In my case, it would be Opera. With Opera, basically you can resume and not resume. But anyways, so here we are. We're given some choices here. There's Python support. I don't think you're going to need it, but you know what? We can go ahead and allow it because it is the default. But basically everything here we do want to keep. Now, sometimes these installers go a little cuckoo. So let's go ahead and where it says VirtualBox application, left click that and select will be installed on, entire feature. Go ahead and select that. I know it sounds crazy even though basically everything should by default install. I have seen problems before. So now let's go ahead and select Next. And I don't like creating desktop icons, and I do not like creating quick launch bar icons. So I'm going to uncheck that, but you're more than welcome to keep them. And now let's go ahead and select Next. And here we are. Here is the warning I was basically trying to alert you of. Because we do have an active connection, it is alerting us that it will reset the network connection. Now this is okay because really you have no choice if you would like to use this program. So go ahead and proceed now. Yes, as long as you don't have some like ISO you're downloading and it's humongous. Which I mention this because this is going to be part of our BackTrack tutorial. This is going to be one of the videos that teach you how to install VirtualBox, and we'll get into all of that great stuff. So definitely look forward to that because I can't wait to show you guys how to break into your network and show you different tricks and whatnot to make sure people don't get into your computer. It is the worst thing ever, right? So let's go ahead and select Yes. And let's go ahead now and select Install. And now this is going to take a moment. This is not something that's very quick. Even if you have a super fast computer, this can take some time. So just bear with us. And now it asks us, because we have UAC enabled, I like to check the publisher's certificate, make sure everything looks cool. And it looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and select OK, select Yes. And now it needs to validate, which is good. And now it should go super quick, which it appears it has. And I know we're going to be talking about BackTrack and whatnot, but while this is installing and copying and all that jazz, you could dual boot your computer to go forth and have the ability when you start up in your master bootloader to select Windows to normally load or BackTrack and whatnot. But I like to keep it on a stick or on a virtual machine. Now, would you like to install this device software? Yes. It's going to go ahead and we're actually going to click Always Trust Software from Oracle. You don't have to, but I'm going to because really you have to anyways. So let's go ahead and select Install. And now it's going to be installing the Oracle's USB driver. This way our mouse or whatever you might have hooked up, whether it's a laptop or not. In my case, I have a Microsoft mouse hooked up to my laptop, which I also have screens connected to my laptop and what have you. But let's go ahead and wait now for this to continue. And as you see, it is installing quite a bit. But it should be nearing the end. Okay, there we go. I spoke too soon. Now, just because this is a tutorial, I'd like to show the end result. So we'll go ahead and select Finish. Give it a moment. And we've completed the Oracle Virtualbox Manager install. To go ahead and create a new virtual machine will be in our next video, so look for that. Again, thank you so much for watching our tutorials. We truly appreciate it. And if you have any ideas, we'd love to hear about it. You can contact us at Twitter, TechMeShow, Google+. We're always there, and we could even hang out if you need help. But if we do remotely help you, we will record your screen and our screen as well and make it really a double Inception video. But if not, at least we could just make a video tutorial on how we helped you. Nonetheless, thank you so much for watching the Tech Me Show. Please continue to watch. Let your friends know to go to youtube.com/TechMeShow.